here is the Philosopher's desk, and there's actually two of them. There's the dark one and the light one, and they're dusty because they're still in the shop. But I'll show you what they do. So first off, you have these little drawers here. Oh, there's a little quill in here. I made these drawers for like pencils and stuff to go in there. And then this drawer, it's not a drawer, it's actually a button. Oh, gotta push it. Push the button, those should pop out. And this one, if you pull it out and then you turn the button, little compartment opens up down here. And this one, if you pull it open, it's got a little compartment here. Oh, it's locked. I'll put the keys in here. Little compartment there. Shut that, turn that the other way, and then open it, and it opens a different compartment. And then there's a hidden little tray right there. So, whoa, but that's not all. This one right here, that one's a wand. And if you put it to the snake eyes, that opens. There's a little hidden compartment there. There's also one over here. So, pretty neat how neat it is. And then I put, as well on the top, I put plugs. There's some USB. I've got my sweet little lamp on here. And then there's a hole right here so you can, imagine two big computer screens, you know, up on their arms, and you could have all the wires go down below. And then right now I have it on these legs, but it can come off the legs. There's just bolts holding them on. And I can always cut the legs to however high they want it to be, but I know like the big thing right now is the standing desks. So I made them so they're my perfect height, but I can always cut them to these other height needs. So that button's tricky, you have to pop it. Anyways, pretty excited.